And they were like bright green frosting. They were great.
This is what love sounds like. Bells from Germany. Okay.
You ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
You ready?
Ready.
Ready?
Ready. That's the bell. It's jingling. Keep it
I
up.
don't know if I'm doing it correctly. How do you know? Is there a certain way? You know, cowbells you're supposed to do it a certain way, so
Yeah, are you supposed to ding it?
it has to be like so sad. Oh, you think I'm supposed to ding it with something?
I don't know.
Oh, gotcha. Explain it.
I mean, it sounds
I don't
pretty
know. I've
good.
never heard love before, so I don't know what it's supposed to sound like.
Touche.
Yeah. I would think you would get everything you need in this one pouch.
I think you're right. You need to put your own love into it.
Oh,
Gotta-
that's where I'm failing.
I think you're doing fine. It is.
You can replenish your change.
Yep. Yep. Let me give it a jingle.
Yeah, you have to.
Oh, it feels good. Solid. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay!
Got it. Now I have to
That was like a thing that